You have your property on the market for sale, so what actually happens at an open home when you're not there? I'm Karen Jones, your local real estate agent, and I love conducting open homes for my vendors. Over the 20+ years I've been in this trade, I've honed down the art of holding a successful open home by doing the following. Key or no key? Some vendors prefer not to give out a key to their property. Not a problem, I'm happy to meet on site just prior to the open and then lock up on the way out. Quick runaround. I'll always do a quick runaround prior to the open to make sure curtains are open, cupboards are closed, cushions are puffed, and things are generally neat and tidy. Shoes off. This can sometimes be tricky for people to take off their shoes for an open home. However, we need to look after your property and we will kindly ask buyers to remove their shoes before entering, unless we detect someone is unable to do so. Record details. It is important that we record the contact details of everyone coming through your door. Not only does it allow us to complete our follow-up during the week, but it keeps people accountable. Chat. I don't just sit idly by. Whenever someone has taken the time to visit your home, I'll engage in conversation, gain feedback, and gauge their intentions. Finish up. Open homes usually last 30 minutes, and in the last few minutes, I'll check all doors are locked, windows closed, and that the home is just as you've left it at the start. During an open home, a good agent will be able to read people, gather information for the purpose of a sale, and create a happy ambience which encourages people to stay. If you'd like to know what happens after an open, make sure to watch my video titled "What a Good Agent Will Do for Their Vendor Following an Open Home." And make sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube for each new video as it releases.